Today, we're taking a tour of San Cristóbal de las Casas, a municipality in the central highlands region of Chiapas, Mexico. We venture up the mountainous terrain to check into our boutique hotel, Hotel Beau. Welcome to the Hotel Beau. This is in Chiapas. Up in the mountains, we have this beautiful, luxurious bed. I love the design of this place. Got hardwood floors, so much attention to detail, and I love the colors. And then it overlooks this beautiful garden. Feels like you've stepped into someone's really cool architectural home. They left us these little truffles here. Look how cool this is. The garden. Okay guys, I want you to guess where in this room the bathroom is. There are no doors, no visible doors. There are these trap doors. Look at this. And we have a wardrobe. But we have this random mirror area. Where could it be? Ooh, you can hear the thunder. We are going to the restaurant here at Hotel Beau. Very exciting. Guys, check out this room at the Hotel Beau. They have all of this interesting literature from around the world, biographies, novels. You can come here and read, and then it overlooks the lobby. The lobby is so cool. They have a little gift shop, and then they also have a bar. They're playing soccer down there. This is so cool. By the way, be sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for more travel videos. This right here is the Escritorio de mi sueño. We have the Atlas of the World, MacBook Pro, and look at all this funky furniture. It's a marimba. We are at Restaurant Loom here at the Hotel Beau. Look at how cool and artsy it is in here with the wooden roof. We got like this indoor-outdoor feel. I'm gonna try it. Wow, it's like fresh tomatoes from the garden. Miel de San Cris. Cheers. I got a Bendito Mezcal. Blessed Mezcal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we got roasted mushrooms. We got a tomato salad with cheese from Oaxaca. And then we got Parmesan beet salad. Prosciutto? Prosciutto? Yeah, local prosciutto. We got the camarones with chile and yucca and quinoa. This right here is flan de coco. Mike, where are we?
We are in San Cristóbal de las Casas here in Chiapas. And we're gonna take you guys for a little after dinner walking tour. Join us.
Let's go. Cinco de Mayo. You can see the mountains back here. We drove up about 2,000 feet high to get here. And you can see there's some rain. And we are about 65 miles away from the archaeological site of Palenque. So tomorrow we have a very early wake-up call at 3:30 a.m. We're heading to the archaeological site of Palenque, very famous Mayan ruin. It's only 65 miles away, but it takes like 5.5 hours to get there. So it's gonna be an adventure. Stay tuned. We have finally made it to the church. There's like a Christmas tree in the center here. It's so interesting, right after it rained, there's so many people out now. We came across this beautiful square. You guys won't believe what we found. Starbucks. Churros. Elotes. What I love about this town is that we just keep finding these beautiful, colorful churches and VWs. Number one, I have no idea what that sound is. I hope it's not gunshots. The sun just came out. The sun is coming out and we're walking around. Across this procession. Look at these processions. Carefully making it down the street. There's a lot of traffic and they're being escorted by the police. They're setting off fireworks. He bowed to her or something like that, or kissed, and then they stopped, and now she's in front. Found another one. Oh, wow. Very cute. This is a pedestrian street here. I even saw Japanese food down there. Lots of souvenir shops. I love this little bar. 500 noches. This is very cute. Wow. They have a number of restaurants in here. Look at this. It's like a food hall. Here in Chiapas, and this place is magical. Look at these gardens. We have meditative grounds here with these reflective pools, and look at all the attention to details and the colors. Wow. They have a gym in here. Mike's working out. So what's cool about this hotel is that I feel like I've stepped into an artist's residence. Very family oriented. Like, look at this. We have a great room, like a TV room, as if you're in an actual home. Look at this incredible room. Oh my goodness. And the restaurant here is fabulous. Let's go check it out. Huevos verdes, pancakes. And what is this one like?
Ranchero.
Ranchero. And with that, we hope that you enjoyed this tour. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more travel videos.